Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on a negative note today and traded with bearish bias throughout the day and ultimately posted a close near 5650 mark. This is daily chart of Nifty, and as we can see that Nifty is currently in a correction mode. It faced resistance near upper end of the channel and from there it has started correcting. On the way down, Nifty is subdividing into lower degree waves and currently third leg on the downside is unfolding. Equality target for that is around 5580. Below that 40-day mark, which is close to 5500, will be the subsequent level to watch out for. Daily momentum indicator is in line with the price fall. On the higher side, yesterday's high, that is around 5730, will act as an immediate resistance, whereas crucial resistance from short-term perspective will be the recent high, that is around 5815. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that Nifty on the way up was finding support on every dip near crucial hourly moving averages, whereas it has now broken the hourly moving averages, and in fact it is now taking resistance on every rise near these moving averages. On the downside, Nifty is falling in a channelized manner and currently it has started a new leg from upper end of the channel towards lower end. Hourly momentum indicator is also in sync with the price structure. So Nifty has a significant downside potential from current level. Moving on to Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty is also in a correction mode. It is also forming third leg on the downside, and on the downside 20 DMA will be crucial level to watch out for. Daily momentum indicator is in sell mode in Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports are 11,195 and 10,895. The crucial resistances are 11,680 and 11,803. Now we'll have a look at couple of stocks that are looking bearish from short-term perspective. First is Sterlite. As we can see from the daily chart, Sterlite has broken down from a bearish triangular pattern. It is currently trading near crucial daily moving averages. However, daily momentum indicator has triggered a sell signal, which indicates that the stock can fall towards its daily lower Bollinger Band. From short-term perspective, crucial supports are 96 and 92, and crucial resistances are 103 and 107. Next stock on the downside is M&M. This is hourly chart of M&M, and we can see that M&M has recently broken down from a distribution triangle and it is forming lower top lower bottom on the hourly chart and is trading below its crucial hourly moving averages. Hourly momentum indicator is also in bearish mode. So M&M has considerable downside potential from short term perspective. Crucial supports are 833 and 801 and crucial resistances are 875 and 880. Thank you.